This REMAX of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Hamp Wilson. This light-filled home is just minutes from the West Gate, making shopping trips or errand running a breeze. It features an easy living floor plan with a spacious sunroom and updated bathrooms. The third bedroom is accessed through the second and may be used as a sitting room or craft space. There is a huge storage space under the house for all your stuff. Estate sale prep ongoing, sale to be January 9th, 10 and 11. Agency remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Hamp Wilson at 501-209-6486.